welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower board. These are materials which I'll be using to create my flower board. Main materials are hot glue sticks, hot glue gun, upholstery base fabric, printed logo, a thin cardboard box which I'm reusing my IKEA box, and artificial flowers. First, I will be marking a centre on this cardboard box. Next, I will be marking centres on my printed logo on each edge of this printed paper. Next, I will attach all of the centres on the printed paper together with the cardboard centres. So I'm placing those centres together so they are in a line, and I'm sellotaping my printed logo on a cardboard. Next, I'll cover back of this cardboard with this upholstery base fabric. So I'm folding the fabric on the right side where my logo is, and I'm sellotaping those edges down on a cardboard. Other two side edges I will be hot gluing down with a hot glue gun. Next, I will glue on these artificial flowers around my logo. First, I'm gluing on these leaves all around the edge. I wish I was this fast in real life. So this is how it looks after I glued those leaves. Next, I will attach these leaves and these flowers. I'm gluing these darker leaves all around the edge in between those lighter leaves. This is how it looks after I glued those darker leaves in between the lighter leaves. Looks nice and neat. Next, I'm gluing these darker leaves all around my logo. This is how it looks after I glued those darker leaves around my logo. Next, I will glue these little flowers around my logo on the top of the darker leaves. Next, I'm gluing on all of these white flowers in the middle all around. I'm gluing on more darker leaves around the edge to create bigger volume. Also, if you want to hang this board on a wall, you will need a piece of string and 2 pieces of material. So I'm placing my string kind of in the middle on the top there, and I'm gluing down each end of the string down on the board there. So it's kind of central like that. And I will be covering each end of the string with this piece of fabric, so it's secure and it hangs on a wall securely so it doesn't fall off. So I'm gluing those ends with a hot glue. So this feels nice and secure. And my flower board is finished now. If you have any questions how I made this flower board, please do comment down below in the comment box. Hi! Now I will hang my flower board on a wall. So this is the back and that's the front. I have put the nail on the wall already and I will hang my flower board on a wall. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.